You've seen how easy it is to earn money on OnlyFans. You've seen that it's possible to earn like $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $50,000 a month, and much more. And all of that just by taking a few pictures and working a few hours a week. You're wondering if that's still the case this year and if it would be worth it for you to launch an OnlyFans today. In this video, I'm going to give you the 7 secrets why OnlyFans is still worth it this year and will still be worth it in the years to come. Stay until the end of this video because we've got something you'll be interested in. Secret number 1, the rise of loneliness. Loneliness is on the rise worldwide. We live in cities surrounded by lots of people, but more and more people feel lonely. That's where OnlyFans comes in, because by paying for an OnlyFans, the customer maintains a relationship with a person, and that makes them feel less alone. The number of customers on OnlyFans will increase to compensate for the growing loneliness. Secret number 2, the lack of human contact. With the emergence of artificial intelligence, human contact is becoming more rare and, as a result, more valuable. People want to feel like they're being listened to and spoken to by a real human being. And that's exactly what OnlyFans is all about. The more artificial intelligence becomes a reality, the greater the need to talk and be listened to by a human being. With how fast artificial intelligence is advancing, it's certain that more and more people will be looking for this human contact, especially on OnlyFans. Secret number 3, the increase in men's lack of affection. Involuntary single men have never been higher than they are today. The number of men who feel they don't receive affection is on the rise, and that creates a lot of suffering in these men. OnlyFans enables these men to find comfort and affection, because when a customer subscribes to OnlyFans, what he's really looking for is affection. The number of involuntary single men will continue to rise in the years to come. This means that the number of OnlyFans customers will also increase. Secret number 4, the need for personalized content. Online users are looking more and more for personalized and exclusive content experiences. They're tired of standardized content and are looking for more authentic connections with creators. OnlyFans helps to meet this growing demand by enabling users to directly support their favorite creators through a subscription in exchange for receiving exclusive content. Secret number 5, monthly subscriptions are becoming the norm. Today, subscription payments are becoming more commonplace. Netflix, Amazon, phone plans. As a result, more and more people are willing to pay $10 monthly subscription to OnlyFans, much more than, for example, a year ago. This is very good news for the future of OnlyFans creators. Secret number 6, there are more new customers than new OnlyFans creators. One of the best proofs that OnlyFans is still worth it this year and still will be for years to come. It's the fact that in proportion, the number of customers is growing faster than the number of creators. You don't have to worry about the competition, because even if more and more people become OnlyFans creators, there are even more customers joining OnlyFans. So don't worry, you can still make your mark on OnlyFans today. It's far from being too late. Secret number 7, OnlyFans becomes less and less taboo. A few years ago, having an OnlyFans was much less popular than it is today, which means that 2 years ago, it was much harder to become an OnlyFans creator, because back then, you had to accept the scrutiny and judgment of others. But today, having an OnlyFans is more and more normal. It's now an activity like any other, and that's a very good thing, because it means you can launch your OnlyFans account with much less fear. And with every day that passes, OnlyFans becomes a more and more normal profession. But warning, today it's easier than ever to make money on OnlyFans. But the longer you wait, the more money you lose. Simply because every day that passes is a day when you could have started making money on OnlyFans. That's why, here are the 5 reasons why you should open an OnlyFans account in the next few days. Stay tuned until the end of this video after these 5 reasons, because we've got a gift for you. Reason number 1, make easy money. Today, OnlyFans is the easiest way to make money, and above all, to make a lot of money. Earning over $5,000 a month on OnlyFans by spending just a few hours a week is accessible to anyone. All you need is the right method. Reason number 2, work from wherever you like. One of the big advantages of OnlyFans is that you can work from anywhere in the world, so you can go on vacation anywhere and still earn money. All you need is your phone. Reason number 3, time freedom. With OnlyFans, you're free to choose when you work. You don't have to work from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., Monday to Friday. You can work whenever you want. Reason number 4. You're free and independent. You don't have to obey a boss. You have total freedom over what you do and how you do it. Of course, some OnlyFans creators prefer to be helped by a manager or an agency, but the choice is yours. You decide from start to finish. Reason number 5. Financial independence. Whether you choose to make OnlyFans your primary or secondary activity, whether you just want to supplement your income with $500 a month, $1,000 a month, $1,500 a month, or whether you want to make $2,000 a month, $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, or much more. In any case, OnlyFans will ensure your financial independence in the long run. So now you know that OnlyFans is still worth it this year and will be for years to come. But don't open your OnlyFans account just yet, because we've got a gift for you that's sure to come in handy. At Subs Booster, we've been helping creators get more customers on OnlyFans. Thanks to this experience, we've been able to discover little-known secrets that enable anyone to be better than 99 of other OnlyFans creators. And today we've decided to reveal them to you completely free of charge in a guide. In this free guide, you'll also learn step by step how to start from zero on OnlyFans and earn up to $10,000 a month as a beginner. And all this without showing your face, without any followers to begin with. By spending just a few hours a week, all you have to do is click on the link in the description. Don't wait. Click on the link in the description right now.